Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody, and today we have a little more exciting news out of the peninsula of Cedar Point. We got the Siren's Curse animation the other day, which looks phenomenal. I can't wait to ride this ride. Like I said, back row rider, comment down below where you guys want to ride this one. The front row looks pretty cool too because of the broken track, but beside the point here, Tony Clark and Cedar Point posted today a first installation of the first track piece of Siren's Curse at Cedar Point. So we've seen some things going on with that lift hill and the stuff, but we have the first track piece installed now, everybody. Exciting news that bodes well for opening in the middle of the season. I'm expecting to see testing when we're going there for opening day, kind of, maybe in those first few weeks or so. I'm not saying like right away, but I expect to see that ride running a little bit if they plan to get it open in the middle of summer here. It's going to be pretty fun to see this go up. This area is going to look much different when the summer hits, and I'm so excited to see that because for us, this was one of the duller areas. Just walking in between there, that was where all the food trucks used to be. Now there's going to be a huge roller coaster there that just looks like so much fun. So let us know what you guys think down below. And of course, as always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community and for coaster ghosting with Ghoster Coasters. Smash that subscribe button right now, everybody. Comment down below what you think. And of course, a huge shout out goes out to all of our channel members and producers of the channel. Without you guys, we couldn't do this. We're so excited to see you at Cedar Point this year. Cheers to a 2025, and let's get through this off season, everybody.